Alam mo ba na sa halagang 30,000 per month magkakaroon ka na ng property dito sa Nai Cavite na may ganitong kagandang amenities. At ito na ata ang may pinakasulit na house and lot dahil may free solar panel, free rainwater and freshwater collection at true pag-ibig financing pa. And you can reserve this unit for as low as 12,000. This townhouse comes with provision for 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, plus may sarili ka pang parking space. At dahil may libreng solar panel, kahit na naka-aircon buong araw, hindi ka na mag-worry dahil sa bill ng kuryente mo. May kasama na rin itong rainwater and freshwater tank na rin. Makakatulong ito sa daily needs mo kaya dagdag bawas sa water bill. Tahimik ang community, safe sa mga bata at malapit sa schools, palengke at grocery. May top amenities din tulad ng clubhouse, park, playground, covered basketball court at swimming pool. Sulit na sulit, di ba? Kaya kung gusto mo ng ganitong property na sulit at may magandang amenities, message us now. Kami na ang bahala from tripping to reservation hanggang makalipat ka sa sarili mong bahay. Again, I'm Rowena Zerudo, your property specialist